Gulshan Kitchen. 1. Understand AI in trading. AI trading involves using algorithms and machine learning models to automate trading decisions. These systems can analyze historical data, predict market trends, and execute trades on your behalf. Gulshan Kitchen. 2. Choose your trading platform. There are many platforms offering AI-powered trading tools. Popular options include MetaTrader, MT4, MT5. Integrates AI bots and custom scripts. TradingView. For custom AI-based strategies with Pine script. eToro. Offers automated social trading. Crypto platforms, such as Binance, Coinbase, or Bitget, with built-in AI bots. Gulshan Kitchen 3. Use pre-built AI tools or build your own pre-built AI tools. If you're new to AI, you can start with pre-built AI trading bots or tools. Cryptohopper. Automated crypto trading bot. Pionex. Features built-in trading bots for crypto. Trade Ideas. AI-based stock market trading tool. Kabout. Provides AI stock picking tools. Building your own AI models. If you have coding knowledge or want custom AI solutions, you can learn Python and libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, or Scikit-learn. Develop models to predict market trends using historical data. Use APIs from platforms like Alpaca, Binance, or interactive brokers. Gulshan Kitchen. 4. Backtest your strategy before using real money. Test your AI trading system with historical market data to ensure it performs well. Most platforms provide backtesting environments. 5. Set clear goals and parameters. Define your trading objectives, such as risk tolerance, profit targets, market conditions, trade-in, e.g., crypto, stocks, forex. 6. Monitor and optimize. AI trading isn't completely hands-off. Keep an eye on your bot's performance and adjust strategies as needed. Market conditions can change, and your AI may need retraining or updates. The Gulshan Kitchen. 7. Manage risk. AI trading doesn't guarantee profits. Use risk management strategies like stop-loss orders, diversifying your investments, limiting the capital allocated to AI trading. Gulshan Kitchen. 8. Stay informed. AI trading systems are only as good as the data and strategies behind them. Stay updated on market news and events, AI advancements, changes in trading regulations, pros and cons of AI trading. Pros: speed and efficiency in decision-making, analyzes large datasets, quickly, removes emotional bias from trading. Cons: requires initial setup and possibly coding knowledge. Performance depends on data quality and strategy, may incur subscription or development costs.